Okay, so we've got a few more of the steps done. So we've now done this step here, which is the electronics and adding those in. So as you can see now, I've added my electronics in. There's my speed controller, servo, receiver, motor and heatsink. Done some little bit of cable management for myself. So battery going over to the battery compartment over the other side. That will go across the other side there and collect our battery. Motor wires are sort of loomed across and as best as they can be. And our servo wires are packed and ready to collect in our ports. So that is essentially the electronics in. And the stage after that will be adding the battery and this foam piece here, 1230370. So what you've got to do on that particular stage is the battery holder, which is this piece. There's a foam piece in there, and I've notched that in there ready so that it can receive my battery pack, whichever one it can be, whichever one it will be. So that will go in and receive my battery pack. So that's in as well. So not sure how we'll route the wires for that. Probably route the wires that way around. We are, yeah. So you then pop in a pin through the hole, like so. That's that one, and collect another pin on this one, like so. There we are. So there's our batteries in as well. So there we are. That's essentially the chassis done. Only left is a few foam pieces to go on the end. So we've got to now do the battery. We've got to actually do the posts for the body posts and adjust those so that they're the right height. So effectively, that's the chassis done. It's it's a wide boy. See, find out how it goes. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Absima Hotshot AT3.4, and this is the truggy version. This is all been built up by myself in kit form. It's been a little bit of a challenge in a couple of places. Manufacturer manual was a bit lacking in some details, but other than that, I managed to work it out. And yeah, this is the end result. What do you think? Yeah, I think it looks quite mean, and yeah, I think we're going to have a bit of fun with the brushless motor system that is inside the car. Remember, that is a 4,370 kV brushless motor, and we'll soon find out how that performs inside this lovely truggy. Here we are. And it looks, remember I didn't paint the body was already pre-painted, so yeah, can't put my hands to that one, but otherwise I've built the car. Lovely car, lovely model to build, a little bit tricky in places, but it was a good build. I enjoyed very much.